How to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Phantom Wallet is already installed on your device. Once it has been installed, open it. Enter your correct login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. In this page, you will get to see three different options: receive, buy, and send. What you want to do is click on send. Now click on Solana. You have to enter the name or address. In order to add it, what you want to do is go back and head over to your Binance application. Once you are logged into Binance, click on deposit crypto. And among these cryptos, you have to search for Solana and then head over to it. For the network, also click on Solana. Well, it will provide you the name and the address. All you want to do is copy it and then go back to your previous page Phantom Wallet. You have to paste the name or the address over here and then click on next. Now enter the amount that you want to cash out. Once you have entered, click on next at the bottom and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.